Relationships are complex, beautiful, and sometimes challenging. One of the most troubling experiences in a partnership is when one or both people feel emotionally distant, what many describe as going cold. This shift can leave both partners feeling confused, hurt, or even hopeless. But why does this happen? And more importantly, how can it be addressed? In this in-depth guide, we'll explore the emotional, psychological, and practical reasons why people go cold on their partners, how to recognize the signs, and what steps to take to reignite connection and intimacy. The science behind emotional distance. At the heart of most relationships is the human need for connection. When that connection weakens, it can feel like the relationship is slipping away. Emotional distance occurs for a variety of reasons, often rooted in biology, psychology, or external pressures. 1. The role of attachment styles. Attachment theory suggests that the way we connect with others stems from childhood. Secure attachment. People with this style are comfortable with intimacy and usually maintain strong connections. Avoidant attachment. These individuals may withdraw or go cold when they feel overwhelmed by intimacy. Anxious attachment. They might perceive distance and react with clinginess or fear of abandonment. Understanding attachment styles helps illuminate why one partner may pull away while the other pursues connection. 2. Stress and the brain. When we're stressed, our brain's fight or flight response can shut down emotional receptivity. If work, finances, or family issues dominate our thoughts, it's easy to unconsciously withdraw from our partner. 3. Dopamine and the honeymoon phase. At the start of a relationship, the brain is flooded with dopamine, creating feelings of euphoria and excitement. Over time, this initial high fades, and relationships require effort to maintain emotional closeness. Why we go cold on our partners. Common causes. 1. Unresolved conflicts. Lingering resentment from unresolved arguments can create emotional walls. When issues aren't addressed, they build up over time, leading to detachment. 2. Lack of communication. Healthy communication is the foundation of any relationship. When partners stop sharing their thoughts, feelings, or needs, it's easy for emotional distance to grow. 3. Emotional overwhelm. Sometimes, people shut down because they feel overwhelmed by their own emotions or their partner's needs. This can happen during major life transitions, like job changes, the birth of a child, or loss of a loved one. 4. Fear of vulnerability. For some, emotional intimacy feels risky. They may fear rejection, judgment, or being misunderstood, causing them to withdraw instead of opening up. 5. Physical disconnection. Physical affection and intimacy often reflect emotional closeness. When physical connection fades, emotional distance can follow. 6. Taking each other for granted. Over time, partners may start to feel unappreciated. Small gestures of love and kindness are replaced by routine, leaving one or both people feeling neglected. 7. External stressor. Work pressures, financial difficulties, health concerns, or family obligations can leave little energy for nurturing the relationship. Signs your partner may be going cold. Recognizing emotional distance early can help prevent further disconnection. Here are some common signs. 1. Reduced communication. Conversations become superficial or infrequent. 2. Lack of physical affection. Hugs, kisses, or hand-holding may decrease. 3. Avoidance of conflict. One partner may refuse to address issues or withdraw during arguments. 4. Decreased quality time. Spending less time together or prioritizing other activities. 5. Indifference. A lack of interest in your feelings, opinions, or experiences. How to address emotional distance in relationships. Reconnecting with a partner requires patience, empathy, and effort from both sides. Here's a step-by-step approach to bridge the gap. 1. Reflect on your feelings. Before addressing the issue, take time to reflect on your own emotions. Are you feeling hurt, neglected, or misunderstood? Understanding your feelings will help you communicate more effectively. 2. Open the lines of communication. Honest and compassionate communication is key. Choose a calm, private moment to share your concerns. Use I statements to express your feelings without placing blame. For example, I feel distant lately, and I'd like us to reconnect. 3. Address underlying issues. Identify any unresolved conflicts or stressor that may be causing distance. Work together to find solutions, whether it's dividing household responsibilities or seeking professional help for deeper issues. 4. Reignite physical intimacy. Physical touch fosters emotional closeness. Small gestures like holding hands, hugging, or cuddling can rekindle connection. 5. Prioritize quality time. Set aside regular time for each other. This could be date nights, shared hobbies, or simply having uninterrupted conversations. 6. Practice gratitude and appreciation. Expressing gratitude can transform the energy in your relationship. Acknowledge your partner's efforts, even for small things, and remind them of the qualities you love. 7. Seek professional help. If emotional distance persists, couples counseling can provide valuable tools and insights to help rebuild your bond. How to prevent emotional distance in the future. Building a resilient relationship takes ongoing effort. Here's how to safeguard your connection. 1. Communicate regularly. Share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly and frequently. 2. Stay curious about each other. Never stop learning about your partner's dreams, fears, and desires. 3. Show affection daily. Small gestures of love go a long way in maintaining intimacy. 4. Support each other's growth. Encourage your partner's personal goals and growth, and celebrate their achievements. 5. Check in with each other. Make it a habit to ask, "How are we doing?" to address any issues before they escalate. When going cold becomes a pattern. Sometimes, emotional distance is not just a phase but a sign of deeper incompatibilities or unresolved personal struggles. If one partner consistently withdraws despite efforts to reconnect, it's important to evaluate the health of the relationship. Is the relationship meeting both partners' needs? Are personal challenges affecting the ability to maintain closeness? Is there willingness on both sides to work on the relationship? These questions can help clarify whether the relationship can be repaired or if it's time to part ways. Frequently asked questions. 1. Is it normal for relationships to have ups and downs? Yes, all relationships go through cycles of closeness and distance. What matters is how you navigate those periods of disconnection. 2. How long does emotional distance usually last? It depends on the cause. With open communication and effort, most couples can reconnect quickly. However, unresolved issues may prolong the distance. 3. Can one-sided effort repair a relationship? While one partner can initiate change, lasting reconnection requires effort and commitment from both sides. 4. Is emotional distance a sign of the end? Not necessarily. Emotional distance is often a signal that something needs attention. With effort, many couples overcome it and grow stronger. Final thoughts. Emotional distance in a relationship can be painful, but it's also an opportunity for growth and understanding. By addressing the root causes, communicating openly, and prioritizing connection, couples can rediscover the warmth and closeness that brought them together. Remember, no relationship is perfect. What matters is the willingness to keep showing up, even when it's hard. Whether you're currently experiencing emotional distance or simply want to strengthen your bond, take this as a reminder. Love and connection are always worth the effort. If this video helped you, Please like, share, and subscribe for more relationship insights. Together, we can build stronger, more fulfilling connections.